girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag
Hey girl, are you looking for a unit that's ready to wear right out of the box? Then I have the perfect unit from UNice. This is a pre-everything, pre-curl unit, and you guys have to get into this one. So, of course, you know, typical UNice pink packaging. They give you this really pretty press-on nails. Girl, I love me a good pack of press-ons. I don't know about you. And, of course, they also give us this melting band and 2 HD wig caps. I don't really use these kinds because they're too see-through for me. And then here are some tape strips that you can use to adhere your unit, and you get a cute pink robe. I love robes, you guys know. And here is the wig before I put it on. This unit is perfect. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached. It comes with pre-cut lace, and it has something new in this unit that I haven't seen before, and I will let you guys know about that. But look at this lace, okay? And it has those bye-bye knots. Here is an inside look of the unit. It has the tape on there already, and here is a new feature, this new pull strap that I love. You can adjust the unit in the back of the unit, and it also has 2 straps. It has the elastic band that we see in most units today. You can hook this in or take it out, and then it also has the adjustable straps at the very bottom with a long comb. Here is what that lace looks like on my skin. It melts perfectly, and look at those curls. This is straight out of the box, you guys, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup on that lace, and let's go ahead and get into this install.
Tell me is you still love? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. Then again, I could be drunk. Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like license. I just any money roll a dice since I picked. She ain't even really my type, and out here she been losing herself to the night shift. She been losing herself, and I get it. Oh yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you been fighting for your shot, and you been searching for your spot. Girl, I feel it. Yeah, girl, I feel it. Yeah, but you think you got your groove, or you want someone like you? Tell me is you still up? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now. Tell me can we still fuck? One-on-one, I'm in the zone right now. Tell me am I still? Telling you just how I feel right now. You say it's just the drugs, and I know. I lied to you way before I had you right this home. And again, I can be drunk. Yeah, I know, mommy, I know. It's 2 a.m., no stress. At 3, that bullshit kick in. At 30, you feel you best. I turn my whole spot to crucial. It's crucial the way I left. Upstairs is like a low. I know it just be the best. I'm looking at her and her starting to turn into you. Now you starting to fuck up my mind. Is it you, is it her? We probably trapped in the birds. F29 is my address in case you ain't heard. It's flooding upstairs, it's elite. I don't make it squeak, I make this shit beat. Won't have a teeth when I feast. Stay doing this slide through the streets. It takes a finesse, especially this cabaret cheap. Engine make it hard to creep. Just leave the gate open. Notice I know I'm a creep. Are you about it to rail? And now that gets down to the sleep. And are you obsessed by yourself? A minute from there, is this a room for me? Baby, do tell. Tell me is you still love? It's 5 a.m. and I'm drunk right now.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I'm doing another review for UNiceHair. UNice is obviously one of my favorite companies to work with. I have so many units from them, and today I have one of their pre-everything units, but this one is just a little bit different from the ones that I've received in the past. Now, you guys have definitely seen me do units like this that are pre-curled and everything, but this one has this new strap in the back that I love. I've seen some companies do like the Invisa straps, but this one is just a little bit different. I like it because it's not like the clear straps, because I feel like with the clear straps, a lot of times people see that. Like for the very first time when I saw those clear straps, I cut mine out. I didn't know. So I feel like a lot of other people did that as well. I feel something like this, people would automatically know not to cut it. Like when you see it, you can easily see that, okay, this is something that I can use to adjust my unit. And I feel like they used to use those kind of straps like on the older like wigs, like back in the day, like the synthetic ones, like from back when. They used to have those kind of like pull straps, but I really like this one. It's really comfortable actually, and you will need to like tuck it underneath. So once you do adjust it, just tuck it underneath your straps or underneath your unit in the very back so that it's not like sticking out. But I did show you guys how to adjust it and everything. I didn't want to do it while it was on my head because it's hard for me to actually see, and I don't know if I'm recording and I'm showing it and then it doesn't like look right, so, or I'm like out of frame or something. So that's why I decided to show you guys when it's off of my head, because typically I do all of the adjustments like with the unit off of my head before I put it on, as you guys can see. Now this can actually be worn as a glueless unit, as I showed you guys in the beginning. On the sides, they do have this feature where you can tape it down. So you literally just peel that adhesive and then you just press it down onto your hairline, and that's it. So for me, because I've done so many of these units before, typically I wouldn't do any baby hair. I would just leave it, you know, regular as is, like out of the box. But today I did do some baby hair here on this side. It's definitely optional. I showed you guys both ways what it looks like with and without the baby hair, and both of them are amazing. This unit was also pre-plucked, which I love because a lot of people don't know how to pluck units. I feel like when it comes to plucking, people overdo it. People feel like they need to do those spaces, so they'll pluck, then they'll leave like a really big gap, a big noticeable gap, and then they'll pluck some more. But I like the fact that when Unice pre-plucks their units, there aren't any huge gaps anywhere. Everything is very cohesive. Everything just melts together. And speaking of melting, this lace melted so good without any product, you guys. I didn't have to use any Got2b glued or anything like that, and the lace melted perfectly for me. It also comes with pre-cut lace, so you guys don't have to worry about cutting the lace. So if you don't have any scissors, no problem. But I did personally use scissors today because I needed to cut around my ear tabs and make sure that, you know, everything is lined up perfectly. But I would say that this unit fit me almost perfectly. Like, I almost didn't even have to cut around my ear because it was that perfect as far as like the hairline is concerned. So I really do like the hairline, and obviously, you know, this unit did come pre-curls, so it just saves you a lot of time. Right now, I feel like I'm date night ready. Like, I feel like I'm ready to just like put on some heels and grab my purse with nothing but a lip gloss in there and my ID and go on a date. Because that's just what it's giving. Like, it just gives date night. It just gives very put together, very classy type of look. And I love this kind of look, you know, when it's like you have nice, beautiful curled hair. It just makes me feel very feminine and very grown and just like, you know, just beautiful. I just feel so pretty with my hair like this. And I really like how natural this unit looks here, you guys. Without the baby hair, like, this unit just looks so natural. I will come up closer in just a moment so you guys can see exactly what it's giving. But I of course wanted to do a wide shot for you guys. And as far as the length for this one, I do currently have mine in a 24-inch, and this is where it's hitting me. But if you pull the hair, you know, of course it'll go longer. So it gets a lot longer than from here. So from here to down here. As you guys can see here, it just looks so natural. Like, that's what I mean. You don't need a melting band. But yeah, this is what it's looking like up close. And like I said, I did run my fingers through the curls, but you don't have to. You can leave the curls like how they come. Let me show you guys that parting space. So on the side, it is a little bit shorter here. Like, it does stop there. So let's see if we go up a little further. Okay. There's that. So this seems to be like one of those horseshoe type of lace fronts. So when I say horseshoe, what I mean by that is like majority of the parting space is going to be here in the center, and then on the sides it's like, you know, a little bit shorter on the side. So if that is something that, you know, concerns you when it comes to like a lace front, I definitely like to point that out. Now you know exactly what you can expect with this unit. But it's so pretty. I absolutely love the way that this unit turned out, you guys. It's so pretty. And it doesn't have like a bunch of flyaways or anything like that. It is a little frizzy right now just because I've been like playing with my hair and everything. But there aren't a bunch of flyaways. I didn't need to use like a hot comb or anything to like make it flatter, as you guys see. Because sometimes I get certain units and I feel like I have to go over it a couple times with a hot comb for me to be satisfied with it. And then I didn't have to do that with this unit at all. And then just once again, just like look how good this looks. Like, let me zoom you guys in. I don't think you guys understand. Like, look how good this looks. Like, right in the center. This part is not glued down, as you guys can see, and it just looks so good right here and natural. Looks so natural. I love the way that they plucked it, like I said. And I just added these baby hairs, but it's like obviously optional. You don't have to do the baby hairs if you don't want to. So we love that. And it just, the curls just bounce back perfectly. And I ran my fingers through my curls, you guys. And it's just still like, I cannot get enough of it. It's so perfect. And they do give you more like they do give you more strips of tape, so if you want to tape down the entire perimeter, you definitely can. They put that in the unit along with some wig caps for you guys. And the press-on nails. I really like the press-on nails that they have. The press-on nails are like glittery. I'm going to show you guys again. I have to turn the brightness down because I'm like close to the camera. But can you guys see how like pretty and glittery that is? Maybe I made it too dark. Hold on. So if you need to pop on some press-ons before your date with your boo thing, they have these really cute press-on nails. I just wish it wasn't so bright so you guys can really see it. You can kind of see it, but not really because it's so bright. So yeah, if you need some press-ons, like I just love that they put these types of things in there, because I definitely do wear press-on nails. They're so easy to just like put on and go, you know, and it saves you a lot of money too versus going to like the nail salon. Like I said, this is a 24-inch. This is beautiful. It comes pre-curled for you already, and if you are interested in checking it out for yourself, please be sure to check out that description box down below for a direct link along with all the details. Shout out to UNiceHair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.